Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into a powerful sermon about the most important audit of your life.
And no, it's not about your finances. We're talking about something way more valuable.
The core idea? We know ourselves best, even when we're busy making excuses.
See, this isn't about someone else judging you. You already have all the data you need for a personal review. But first, you've got to cut through the noise. Every year, we get sidetracked by these pointless debates.
Like this one. People argue without even knowing the difference between a religious and a secular holiday.
It's like we're all Don Quixote, right? Wasting our energy fighting these imaginary enemies.
And all that wasted energy? It's a huge distraction from the work that actually matters. So instead of fighting windmills, the speaker says we need to practice muhasebe, rigorous self-accounting. And this leads to a really powerful metaphor. Think of your life as a business. Your capital? It's time.
Just like any business, your life has a balance sheet. It's got debits and credits that need a serious audit.
Last year, you got 365 units of the most valuable currency out there, days. So, how'd you spend them?
Here's the thing. A business can go bankrupt and recover. A misspent life? You don't get a do-over.
When we all neglect our own part, it leads to collective failure. There's a story that shows this perfectly.
See what happens? If everyone thinks someone else will do it, the whole thing fails. A powerful lesson.
So how do you actually do this personal audit? Well, the speaker gives us a pretty clear checklist. These questions get right to the heart of it. Did you grow intellectually, morally, spiritually? Because this whole audit, it's not just about the past. It's about planning for a much better future. But timing is everything. A truth that's past its time, the speaker says that can become a toxin, not a remedy.
It's the difference between just saying stuff with no risk and having the courage to speak up now.
He even reframes afterlife to mean something immediate. It's the future you're building starting today.
So if your future is your afterlife, how are you investing in it? That's a powerful thought to leave you with.